Oh man, this winter sucked. I sure am looking forward to putting some miles on my 2024 Pan America named Big Sheila. What the? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Make my videos on a 2025 Indian Challenger Power Plus 108 with the Power Band audio package. Just came off a 24 Pan America, great bike, but I needed to change and so did my knees. This is your yearly reminder, go get a colonoscopy. I started this channel, like I said, in 23. I was dealing with stage 3 colon cancer and I put off getting a colonoscopy till I was 50. Another friendly reminder, invest in your mental health. I did not handle cancer well. I then lost my job. Depression sets in. Massive weight gain. You know, there's this expression about contents under pressure can only do one thing, and yeah, beginning of 24, sprinkling a little identity theft, and contents went boom. I'll put some links in the description to free websites where you can reach out if you're having some mental health concerns, but don't, for the love of God, don't handle things like I did. On a lighter note, riding out to meet some people at the Andover Diner. I'm not filming there. I just wanted to get a ride in on this motorcycle. And you're probably like, well, what are you going to name her? What if I name her this?
Carlos Spicy Wiener.
No. I'm not naming her Carlos Spicy Wiener. You don't buy a big, beautiful, dark black motorcycle and name it anything other than Big Sheila. I gotta tell you, I got 141 miles on this bike. This is the second weekend owning it. Yeah, it kind of boggles my mind how something this heavy can handle so well. I'm taking it easy. Roads are a little wet. The tires are broken in, but you know, I do not have it in sport mode right now. In standard mode, this thing has more than enough power to pass. And the stock exhaust, I gotta tell you, I did not expect it to sound like that. And I rode this in 24. That video has the most views on my channel. I think it was like 4,500. I was like, oh wow. But yeah, I was going between this and a Goldwing. And I was like, I'm gonna buy the Goldwing. You know, I'll put the crash bars on. I'll put the forward pegs out. I gotta tell you, I had like the worst experience with some of these dealers. Like, they just want your phone number. If you just put email, they won't contact you. Like, look, it's 26. Stop playing these friggin' games. You want my business or you don't. They didn't. I went to Indian dealer of White Plains. They had 2 leftovers. I originally wasn't gonna get this, but 30 bucks more a month, 100 watt, 4 speakers. It's a no-brainer, right? So I go in. I go home, I think about it for 2 weeks, and yeah, I went back, got a better rate on the loan, very happy. Very nice dealership. Experience was comparable to the one I had at Garden State, which was also great. So yeah, but this is season 3, like I said, and this will be on this bike for a while. I have some plans to do the reach handlebars. These are the stock ones. I just lifted them up a bit. Fantastic. You know, they come too low. I don't know what the deal is with that. Definitely doing mufflers. Reinhardt, I think they're at 4.5 DBX. Probably some extra lighting. And these guys were telling me about a seat. Stock seat so far so good, but like I said, it's only 143 miles. So, but I think it was called the Ultimate seat or something. I think I'm gonna pick it up for this. Fun fact, a pin lock will do you no good if you tape off your vents to keep wind noise out. You know, crazy part too is when I left the house, it wasn't windy, but I'm like, what, 30 something, 40 something miles away from home. I'm just entering in Andover. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going new places this year with the guys and giving you more experiences with new Big Sheila, which I'm currently fighting with to get the Cardo to pair to the head unit so I can use Apple CarPlay. I'm sure it's something I'm doing wrong. You know, you probably could read the owner's manual, but reading's for nerds. I'd rather go online. Somebody's got to have it up on YouTube. But yeah, like I said, 206, fantastic highway to ride. There's a lake on the right. You can't see it. Once the trees are out, you won't see anything. Oh, no way. I didn't know I was going to pass a cycle exchange. This place in Andover, if you're looking for a used or new bike, they got a lot of inventory. Oh boy, we're going in a tunnel. Stock exhaust, is it worth it? Let's find out. No. I owe 2 people shout outs, by the way. One of them, Goofy Bastard, put his channel pick up here. I sent him a windshield off my lowrider ST, and he was nice enough to give me a shout. Did not need to do that. I found his channel many years ago on my TV at home right before COVID, and I was thinking about getting a Vaccaro. And he had this cool white Vaccaro, all done up, handlebar speakers, and cool videos. He's riding around PA, and I'm hoping to see some VMAX content this year. And I also need to give a shout out to Mild Hogz with a Z. And don't think for 1 second that Z is there because his content puts your ass to sleep. That's my content. That's what I'm here to do.
Your destination will be on the left.
If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos Wednesday and Friday.
Your destination is on the left.
3 p.m. You know the deal. Give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment. Come back again. Love you. And this guy.